In ancient Israel, the economy was largely dependent on agriculture, livestock farming, and the exchange of goods through barter. Most families earn their livelihood by cultivating crops, raising animals, or trading products with one another. Commercial activity was an important part of daily life, and the Bible provides interesting insights into how trade was organized. For example, markets were often located near city gates, which served as busy centers of business and social interaction. Certain gates even received names that reflected the types of goods commonly sold there, such as the sheep gate, the fish gate, and the gate of the potsherds. These names suggest that merchants specializing in particular products gathered in designated areas. The scriptures also mention Jerusalem's Street of the Bakers, indicating that tradespeople often worked and sold their goods in specific sections of the city. But what can be said about prices in Bible times? Determining the exact value of goods from ancient periods is not easy. As one Bible commentary observes, prices changed over the centuries, making it difficult to know precisely how much a commodity cost in a particular place and time. Nevertheless, evidence from the Bible and other historical sources reveals that prices were not fixed. In fact, inflation existed even in ancient societies. One example involves the price of slaves, which were commonly bought and sold throughout the ancient world. During the 18th century BCE, Joseph was sold for 20 pieces of silver, likely shekels, which appears to have been the average price of a slave at that time. About 300 years later, the typical price had risen to 30 shekels. By the 8th century BCE, it increased further to 50 shekels. Then, during the Persian period, roughly 2 centuries later, the price could reach 90 shekels or even more. These steady increases demonstrate that rising prices and inflation are not merely modern economic challenges. They were realities that affected people living thousands of years ago as well.